Exercise 4.4, Class 10th Mathematics, Question 3, 4 and 5. We are starting with Question 3. Question 3 is it possible to design a rectangular mango grove whose length is twice its breadth? Length is twice its breadth and the area is 800 meters square. If so, find the length and breadth. So first of all, let us write down the condition for rectangular groove. Conditions are like this. Suppose breadth is equal to x. As per this statement, and length is equal to 2x, twice the breadth, 2x. Area 800 meter square. So let us write the formula for area. It is equal to length into breadth. It is equal to 2x into 2, which is equal to 2x square. So this is the area which is given equal to 800 meter square. Okay. Now that means it is equal to x square is equal to 400. 2 से divide कर दिया. So this is a x square minus 400 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation because the highest power of the variable is 2. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 0 because x does not exist over here, and C is equal to 400. So this is x is equal to A is equal to 1, B is 0 because there is no x, B is a coefficient of x, there is no x, C is equal to 400. Now D is equal to B square minus 4AC, B is 0 minus 4 into 1 into minus 400, which is equal to minus minus plus 1600. Okay, 4 into A into C, 0, 1600. So D is more than 0. Therefore, 2 real roots exist. अब फाइंड आउट कैसे कर रहे हैं? X square is equal to 400 we are given. This is the equation. Okay. That means x is equal to plus minus under root 400. It is equal to plus minus 20. X is equal to 20. Minus 20 rejected because length cannot be negative. Okay, so x is equal to 20 meter is equal to breadth. So length is equal to 2 into 20 meter is equal to 40 meter. So these are the length and breadth of the rectangular groove. Question 4. Is the following situation possible? If so, determine the present ages. The sum of the ages of the two friends is 20. 4 years ago, the product of ages was 48. With these conditions, it is possible to have this situation is possible or not. We have to check it. So the situation is sum of the ages of the two friends is 20 years. Let age of one friend be X years and age of other friend is equal to 20 minus X, because the sum total is 20 years. How I have written 20 minus X? Because if you add, so XX will cancel, you will get 20. Sum has become 20. So whatever total is given, उसमें से ये minus कर दो, बाकी ये बचा है. Next condition, 4 years ago. 4 years ago, first friend age will be X minus 4 years. 4 years ago. Second friend age will be 20 minus X minus 4, which is 16 minus X. Now the condition given is the product of their ages, X minus 4 into 16 minus X is equal to 48. This is given. So now we will multiply this. That means 16x minus x square minus 64 plus 4x is equal to 48. Multiply. Okay. So that means this is 20x, 16 and 4 minus x square minus 68 minus 48 is equal to 0. That means x square minus x square plus 20x minus 16 116 is equal to 0. Okay. So we'll make x square positive. It will become x square minus 20x plus 116 is equal to 0. So this is a standard quadratic equation where a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 20 and c is equal to 116. So d is equal to b square minus 4ac minus 20 square minus 4 into 1 into 116. This is 400 plus, and this is a 4 minus, this is 464, which is equal to minus 64, less than 0. Therefore, roots does not exist. D is less than 0, so the root does not exist. That means the given situation is not possible. It's not possible. So this is question 4. Now we'll go to question number 5. Question number 5. Is it possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter 80 meter and area 200 meter square? If so, find the length and breadth. So let us check whether it is possible or not. We have to form a rectangle. Perimeter is given equal to 80 meter and area is equal to 400 meter square. That means perimeter is equal to 2 length plus breadth is equal to 80 meter. That means length plus breadth is equal to 40 meter. Area length into breadth is equal to 400 meter square. So we will form a quadratic equation with the help of these two conditions. We'll put the value of one of these variables from one equation to the another. So let us take b is equal to 40 minus L. B is equal to 40 minus L. We'll put in area L into, that means bracket, 40 minus length. Area is how much? 400. 40 length minus L square minus 400 is equal to 0. Let us make L square positive. L square minus 4L plus 400 is equal to 0. So multiply both sides by minus 1. So this is a quadratic equation. This is 40. This is 40L. Okay. So A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 40 and C is equal to 400. D is equal to B square minus 4AC minus 40 square minus 4 into 1 into 400. This is plus, the square of negative number is plus 1600 minus 1600 is equal to 0. That means D is equal to 0. That means roots exist and are equal. Now we'll find out the roots. We have given this question. L square minus 40L plus 400 is equal to 0. That means L is equal to minus B plus minus under root. We'll use this formula. X is equal to B square minus 4AC over 2. This is plus 40 plus under root 40 square minus 4 into 1 into 400 over 2 into 1. This is equal to 40 plus minus 0 over 2. This is 20. This is 20 and 20. Since quadratic equation, so we have to write 2 times. So it is possible. Yes, it is possible to have rectangular arc with each side is equal to 20 meter.